Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Cynthia Massey, and it's called the Double Front Z-Fold Unicorn. It's cup number cup 990995_3367. You get 5 sheets in the kit and it's enough to make the entire card. So I'd like to show you the actual sheets that you get in the kit, and then we'll go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet is the back panel of the card, and we've got some extra labels to add either to the inside of the card or to the back of the card. Maybe you want to sign your name in one of them so the recipient knows who sent it. Next, we've got the actual inside of the card and the first side of the Z fold. We've also got the score marks on of where you need to fold. This is the side panel and the front. You're going to see what I mean as we make it. It's probably a little bit more confusing as I'm telling you which section these are, but once we make it you'll see. So, but all the score marks are on, whether it's a mountain or a valley fold, and then there's your tab mark explaining where you need to put your adhesive to make the card. We've got extra panels for the sides of the card, and then we've got the front focal point of the gorgeous unicorn, and then we've got some extra decoupage to add lots of embellishments and extras to the front of the card. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut out and score the actual, I would say, the inside and the side panel. So there's 3 main parts to this card. There's the back panel, which we're going to put to one side for now. There's the side panel, and literally cut that out, fold it and score it with your bone folder. And then there's the actual Z panel. Now this has got the tab mark on it, and it says glue double-sided tape on the back of this section. So my tape is on the back, just as the instructions have said. I've folded it, and I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure they're nice sharp creases. And then what happens is we take the panel that has one side tab and the panel with the double fold on it. We remove our tape, and I'm going to do it face down, so it's pattern side face down, and I'm going to add the section with the tab on to the back of the inside panel and press it down so it gives that effect on your card. Then I'm going to turn it over, and you can see the tab that I've added, and this is where the back panel's going to come in. Now it tells you on the sheets where the bottom is, so I've just marked it so I know. I've got flat tape on the back of the back panel. It's all been just flat double-sided tape up to now. You can use wet glue, it depends what you're happier using. So now I can add the back panel over the back of the card, marrying the edges up, and this is all to cover the join at the side where the tab went. So now the card is taking shape. So that's the panel that we've just added. Now I've got 2 side panels, and one has the roses on for the front of the card. I've got flat tape on the back of this, that's double-sided tape. Again, use whatever you're comfortable using. And I'm just going to lay this over the top of the actual side panel to cover it. There we go, and I can press it down. And then the second panel, again, I'm going to remove the back of the double-sided tape, and I'm going to add this just inside on the panel like that. There we go, press it down. So now I can add one of my labels to the inside of the card, and I've taken the label that says happy birthday to you, and I'm just going to position it through the centre of the card like that. Then I'm going to start decorating the front of the card. So the first thing that I have is the unicorn. Now I'm going to place it over the centre of the middle flap. So I've just got double-sided tape through the centre of the back of the unicorn, because the sides of the unicorn are going to hang over, so we don't want those to stick to the rest of the card. So you can see I've just got tape through the centre, and I'm going to position that just through the centre of that flap. There we go. Then I've cut out the decoupage of the unicorn, and I've got each layer on 3D foam, and all I have to do is marry up the pattern from the pattern below and just build up the image into a 3D image following the design on the layer below. Then I've also taken some of the roses that are included in the kit, and I've put these on 3D foam as well. I'm going to add one to that corner, and then I've got one for the opposite corner like that, and then I've just got an extra couple of pieces of the decoupage to add on top, all on 3D foam. And then the last piece of the decoupage just to go on the side like that. Then I can turn the card over and add one of the blank labels, and I can add my name if I want to, and there we go. That was just on flat tape, and that's our card complete. And look how that stands up. I know it's difficult to see when it's flat on my desk, but it stands up gorgeously, and it's got the Z fold, and it's just such a great design, and only available from Craftsuprint.com. I want to repeat the number, so please check out the rest of Cynthia's designs on the website. The cup number for this was cup 990-995_3367. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.